but of course, I get my freaking camera out. No way. What? Seriously? I just saw something definitely sizable. Huh. And it's gone. Big surprise. There it is. There it is. Nuh-uh. Shut up. What the fuck is it? No way. It better be a freaking helicopter. No way, dude. I'm gonna stay here until I see it again. No freaking way. Come on, y'all. If you hear noises, that's the dogs. What the? Yo! Yo! Shut up. Yo! What the hell? You're kidding me, dude. What? No. How? I'm out here trying to debunk something I thought was one yesterday. And what's happening now? What the hell? I see it again. What is happening? It's really faint. You've got to be kidding me. No way, dude. Alright, these dogs, though. What the heck? I can't see anything anymore. I want to show, like, one of the blinking... Oh, there it is again. There it is. What the fuck? Yo, tell me that is a freaking helicopter or something. Damn it. Maybe it's like hazy out and I'm catching the light a little bit. The moon is out. It's full-ish. I'm seeing like a blinking light. What the heck? Dude, this is too weird out here. I want to show other planes, but I don't want to move this because it seems that whenever you're taking a video and you move it slightly, that's when they show up. I'm hoping whatever that was is like blocked by haze now, maybe. What the heck? I don't see it anywhere anymore. This is like unreal. I don't see it anywhere. You can see some stars up there. What the heck, man? Oh, there it is again. I'm half looking. Oh my god, the dogs are going nuts. I'm half looking in my camera, and I'm half looking at the actual tree line. I need some kind of app that tracks planes or something. This is too weird, man. If I had a telescope, I'd be out here every night. See, it's kind of just hovering over the same area. I'm gonna stop this and start again.